All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be talking about none other than Solana itself. Wow. I'm going to be quite frank with you guys. If you did watch my Pepe update, you guys probably know this, but if you did not watch that, I'll say this in this video. I'm absolutely exhausted, but your support, your continuous supports keep me going. No matter how tired I am, I'm going to bring these updates for you guys. So, all you have to do is just kill it with the support. That's literally all I ask for, and I will continue to bring these updates for you guys. So if we're looking at the overall market today, you did see majority of the altcoins see a little bit of a minor pullback, and you can see pretty much across the board, majority of the coins are seeing 1 to 2% pullback. Obviously, you do have some big losers, with Ondo, these are, and Pepe, these are some projects that are being hit quite heavily, but other than that, as far as the broader market goes, you're still seeing just a little bit of a minor pullback. But, Sol up 0.4%, having a great week. I want you guys to be understanding this. I want you guys to really pay very close attention to how big this really is for Sol. 18.1%, guys, on the weekly time frame. Now you guys might be like, oh, Crypto ZX, are you kidding me, my dude? If you're looking at Near Protocol, if you're looking at Bitcoin Cash, if you're looking at FTM, these guys are also up about like double digits if you're looking at Bonk. But guess what? If you compare their market caps and market valuation to Sol, there's a big difference, huge difference. So being one of the biggest assets in the crypto space, performing like this, absolutely amazing. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening today and what we could be expecting as we do go further into this upcoming week ahead of us. So looking at the price right now, currently sitting at $173.80, up 0.4% as mentioned in USD comparative. We're also up about 1% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap still above 77 billion, to be exact, around $78 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 1.98 billion, so almost $2 billion. So what has changed, and this is the beauty of doing day-to-day analysis, because you can see this. I remember this every single day. You did see the buying pressure, the 24-hour trading volume go down a little bit. Nothing too crazy, but that has changed. So obviously not something too crazy to worry about, but obviously that is something I would like to mention. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So total value locked around the same as to where it was yesterday. As I've mentioned, I have a very strong feeling that we could set a new yearly high for Solana's total value locked before this month even comes to an end. A lot of people might think that sounds absolutely crazy, but I think that's a realistic target to be aiming for, because we're pretty much at the yearly high as we speak. So that's really nice to see. And as far as the news go, nothing too major, but this is worthwhile noting. You guys can see this for yourself. Phantom Wallet now ranks as the third most downloaded free app in the utilities category on the Apple, App Store, following Google Chrome and Google Search. Phantom also holds the 32 position across all app categories, outpaced slightly by X and ChatGPT. Understand this, guys. Literally understand this. If this is not telling you what's happening, I don't know what will. As you guys know, Phantom is a Solana, wallet. And I'm sure if you downloaded Phantom years ago, like 2 years ago, you probably don't think of this as a big deal. But this is a huge deal. You know how we talk about, Solana is the next big blockchain. It's competing with Ethereum. Things like this give that confirmation. We always look for confirmations, and you should be looking for confirmations. This right here is a confirmation itself. We're seeing so many people downloading Phantom Wallet, whether it's on their computer, on the web browser extension, whether it's your Apple iPhone, if you have an Android phone, people are downloading it at record high numbers. And this is where the adoption is kicking in for Sol, and we're seeing that right in front of our eyes right now. And going forward, you guys can see Phantom is now ranked the #1 iOS app in Nigeria. So shout out to all my supporters in Nigeria. This is crazy, absolutely crazy things that are happening right now for the Phantom app, and this really gives us that understanding where Solana really is heading. So really, really good stuff. But now let's take a look at the price, because that's what everyone is here for. So as far as dominance goes, dominance is picking up a little bit, about 55.86%. But as of recording this update, we did see BTC. I did make a few other updates right now, but we did see Bitcoin trying to break out of this key resistance right now, $67,210. I kind of indicated in my other updates, we're still in a weekend. We could see a shakeout. There's a lot of longs piling up now because of this move. Overall sentiment right now is mega bullish. The price of Bitcoin is going to go crazy, and usually that can also be a place where you need to be cautious, because you could see a little bit of a shakeout just so whales can come out and shake all the longs that are piling up, and then you will see the price of Bitcoin bouncing above this, like that never happened. So be very cautious. We could see a little bit of a shakeout happening. We're still in a weekend, but I would not be surprised if we do see a little bit of a minor shakeout to clear the longs and then just go crazy. But of course, if we pop out of this key resistance, that would be the confirmation that we have broken towards the upside. But now if you're looking at Sol, Sol continues to do great, even though the overall market did see a little bit of a pullback. You are seeing Solana not being impacted. Solana's like, what happened? Like, come on. Solana's like, oh, come on, it's totally fine. I'm good. I'm Sol. I have the strength on my end, and we're clearly seeing that with the charts. There's no questioning that. You're seeing this momentum that Sol has right now for itself, and this momentum is going to take Solana back above $185 very fast, in my opinion. And right now that target does not seem too far away. We're looking at only a 6.35% move. Honestly, if Bitcoin is able to push above this right now, it's still coming in our way. If it's able to break out of this key resistance, I have a strong feeling we could be seeing Solana at $185 very, very fast. And of course, once we get into the 23.6, I don't even need to repeat that anymore. We know what happens moving forward. So that's how I'm currently analyzing Solana. Loving what I'm seeing right now. I think this next leg up will put it towards all-time highs. I'm very confident about that. But obviously, you need to have your patience and really understand how the market works. It's not going to happen just overnight. It is going to take time. But I think this next leg up that's, forming up right now, as you guys can see, this pattern that I've kind of indicated in my other updates as well. But if you did not watch the update, I will break it down right now as well for you guys. You guys can see, we had this massive run, beautiful run, going into the New Year's, saw that pullback. Beautiful run again, saw this pullback. We could see something like this happening next. So that's how I'm currently analyzing it, but do let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.